This function is concatenate. This function joins several text items into one item. There is another new function concat. We will also look at it, and the AND operator. This one, how this works. So all these join several text item into one text item. For example, I have these two texts. One is hi, I am, and the second is learning Excel. And I want to join them into one line. So if I say is equal to concat, so you can see there are two functions, concat and concatenate. Let's learn first concatenate function. Concatenate is B4 and B5. So both texts are joined, but you can see in I am and learning there is no space. So if I want to add space, I will say B4 and in inverted commas a space and B5. So this is now I am learning Excel with a space added. So what if I say concatenate and if I give it a range B4 to B5, it will not work. If I say concat, the new function, and then if I give this range, it will work. Likewise, instead of using this function, I can say is equal to B4 and B5. Simple with AND, I can join the context or the contents of several cells. But with this new function, concat, what I can do is I can give a range to join and I can add a space either before learning or after am. It will appear in my result. This is very helpful function, especially when you are creating well, I am using advanced VLOOKUPs and I want to look up on multiple conditions or multiple cells. I generally use this AND function and concatenate. Plus, when there was a time when I used to, there was my Excel model will automatically generate a bank payment letter based on certain calculations on other sheets. So instead of every time writing a new letter with new numbers, I have linked that with my database and the result of the number is picked up and placed in the bank letter. So this is very useful function. And remember with AND function, you can also join text.